Hello guys, welcome back to Education Video Corner. In this video, I am sharing conversation between dad and son. And so I am taking one of the phrases that's like what's over is over. So this is the basic phrase of in this conversation. What's over is over. This phrase means acceptance acceptance and closure regarding something that has already ended or concluded. It suggests moving forward without dwelling on the past events or regrets. Essentially, it emphasizes the importance of letting go of the past and focusing on the present and future instead of ruminating on things that cannot be changed. What's over is over. It means implies acceptance and closure regarding something that has already ended or concluded. It suggests moving forward without dwelling on past events or regrets. Actually, it emphasizes the importance of letting go of the past and focusing on the present and future instead of ruminating on things that cannot be changed. So, guys, let's start our conversation. What's over is over, Dad. Hey, what's bothering you, son? Hey, hey, what's bothering you, son? Son, I messed up my science project, Dad. I should have done better. Son, I messed up my science project, Dad. I should have done better. Dad, well, it's important to do your best. But remember, what's over is over. You can't change the past. Dad, well, it's important to do your best. It's important to do your best. But remember, what's over is over. You can't change the past. Son, I know, but I feel like I let everyone down. I know, Dad, but I feel like I let everyone down. Dad, making mistakes is part of learning and growing. What's more important is how you handle it from here. What's more important is how you handle it from here. What can you do improve next time? What can you do to improve next time? Making mistakes is a part of learning and growing. What's more important is how you handle it from here. What can you do to improve next time? Son, I can start working on my next project early and I ask for help if I need it. I can start working on my next project early and ask for help if I need it. Dad, that's a great attitude, my dear son. Learn from this experience. Learn from this experience and keep moving forward. Remember, what's over is over, but your future is still in your hands. But your future is still in your hand. Dad, that's a great attitude, my dear son. Learn from this experience and keep moving forward. Forward. Remember, what's over is over, but your future is still in your hands. Son, thanks, Dad. I will try my best next time. Son, thanks, Dad. I will try my best next time. I will try my best next time. Learning some vocabulary words in this conversation. So, first one is bothering. Bothering, தொந்தரவு. Bothering means தொந்தரவு. Messed up. Messed up, குழப்பம். குழப்பம். Attitude. Attitude. Attitude means அணுகுமுறை. Experience. Experience means அனுபவம். Forward. Forward means முன்னோக்கி. Future. Future means எதிர்காலம். Still. Still means இன்னும். Remember. Remember means நினைவில் கொள்ளுங்கள். Bothering. Bothering. தொந்தரவு. Bothering means தொந்தரவு. Messed up. Messed up. குழப்பம். குழப்பம். Attitude. Attitude. Attitude means அணுகுமுறை. Experience. Experience means அனுபவம். Forward. Forward means முன்னோக்கி. Future. Future means எதிர்காலம். Still. Still means இன்னும். Remember. Remember means நினைவில் கொள்ளுங்கள். You guys, if you helpful this video, please subscribe our channel and then share with your friends. Thank you for watching in this video. Bye bye. See you again. Thank you.